Have you ever wondered how your body manages to keep everything running smoothly, even when the world around you is constantly changing? From the temperature outside to the food you eat, your body is always working behind the scenes to maintain a stable internal environment. This remarkable ability is what keeps you healthy and functioning, no matter what life throws your way. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating processes that allow your body to regulate itself, ensuring that vital conditions like temperature, blood sugar, and blood pressure stay within safe limits. Let's dive into the science of stability. Homeostasis is the body's way of keeping its internal environment steady, even when the external environment changes. Think of it as your body's internal thermostat, always making adjustments to keep things just right. Whether it's your body temperature, blood glucose levels, blood pressure, or pH balance, homeostasis ensures these vital conditions stay within a narrow, healthy range. This stability is crucial for your cells to survive and for your organs to function properly. Without homeostasis, even small changes could disrupt the delicate balance your body needs to thrive. Maintaining homeostasis is essential for life. Every cell in your body depends on a stable environment to carry out its functions. If conditions like temperature or pH stray too far from the ideal range, cells can't work properly and organs may start to fail. That's why your body has built-in systems to detect changes and respond quickly. Whether you're running a marathon or relaxing at home, your body is constantly monitoring and adjusting to keep everything in balance. This ongoing process is what allows you to adapt and survive in a changing world. How does your body actually maintain homeostasis? The answer lies in feedback mechanisms. These are special processes that help your body detect changes and respond to restore balance. Imagine them as your body's internal communication system, always on the lookout for anything that's out of the ordinary. When a change is detected, feedback mechanisms kick in to either reverse or amplify the change depending on what's needed. There are two main types: negative feedback and positive feedback. Let's take a closer look at how each one works. Negative feedback is the most common feedback mechanism in your body. It works by reversing a change to bring things back to normal. Think of it as your body's way of hitting the brakes when something goes off track. For example, if your body temperature rises, negative feedback mechanisms help cool you down. If your blood sugar gets too high, they work to lower it. This process is all about reducing or counteracting the original change, keeping your internal environment steady and safe. Let's look at a real-life example of negative feedback: body temperature regulation. When your body temperature rises, your brain detects the change and signals your sweat glands to become active. Sweating helps cool your body down. On the other hand, if your temperature drops, your body starts to shiver. These muscle movements generate heat, warming you up. In both cases, negative feedback works to bring your temperature back to normal, protecting your body from harm. Another classic example of negative feedback is blood sugar regulation. After you eat, your blood sugar rises. In response, your pancreas releases insulin, which helps your cells absorb glucose and lowers your blood sugar back to normal. If your blood sugar drops too low, your body releases other hormones to raise it. This constant balancing act ensures your cells have the energy they need, without letting sugar levels get dangerously high or low. Blood pressure is another vital condition controlled by negative feedback. When your blood pressure rises, sensors in your blood vessels send signals to your brain. Your heart rate slows down and your blood vessels relax, helping to lower your blood pressure. If your pressure drops, your heart beats faster and your blood vessels tighten to raise it. These adjustments happen automatically, keeping your blood pressure within a healthy range. Positive feedback is less common but still plays a crucial role in your body. Unlike negative feedback, which reverses changes, positive feedback amplifies them. This means the response keeps increasing until a specific event is completed. Positive feedback is like a snowball effect. Once it starts, it keeps building until the process is finished. Let's see how this works in real life. One of the best examples of positive feedback is childbirth. During labor, hormones stimulate the uterus to contract. These contractions cause the release of even more hormones, which make the contractions even stronger. This cycle continues, with each step amplifying the next until the baby is delivered. Positive feedback ensures that the process moves quickly and efficiently to its natural conclusion. Blood clotting is another important process that uses positive feedback. When you get a cut, your body starts forming a clot to stop the bleeding. Chemicals released at the injury site attract more platelets, which release even more chemicals, speeding up the clotting process. This positive feedback loop continues until the bleeding stops and the wound is sealed, protecting you from further harm. Let's compare negative and positive feedback side by side. Negative feedback works to oppose or reverse a change, restoring balance and keeping things steady. It's the most common feedback system in your body. Positive feedback, on the other hand, amplifies a change and continues until a specific outcome is reached. Both types are essential for your body's regulation, but they serve different purposes and are used in different situations. Your body needs both negative and positive feedback mechanisms to function properly. Negative feedback keeps your internal environment stable, while positive feedback helps drive certain processes to completion. Without these systems, your body wouldn't be able to adapt to changes or respond to emergencies. Understanding how these mechanisms work gives you a deeper appreciation for the complexity and intelligence of your body. Homeostasis isn't just a scientific concept, it's something your body manages every moment of every day. Whether you're exercising, eating, or sleeping, your body is constantly making adjustments to keep everything in balance. This ongoing process is what allows you to stay healthy, recover from illness, and adapt to new situations. Next time you feel thirsty or start to sweat, remember, that's homeostasis at work. Sum up: homeostasis is your body's way of maintaining stable internal conditions, no matter what's happening outside. Feedback mechanisms, especially negative and positive feedback, are the tools your body uses to achieve this balance. Negative feedback reverses changes to keep things steady, while positive feedback amplifies changes until a process is complete. Understanding these concepts is fundamental to the study of physiology, and helps explain how your body stays healthy and resilient.